Hey guys, so for today's video, we are going to show you how to install this Lutron Caseta smart switch, and we're gonna show you also on another video how to set up the bridge for this one so you can control it using your phone, and also you can also use this without an internet, without the bridge, by using the Pico remote. So once again, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for that YouTube algorithm. And in this channel, we do varieties of videos, so don't be surprised if the next video is gonna be about nursing and all building stuff like that. So let's start.
Today we are gonna use the following tools: the non-contact tester, the pliers, and the two-headed screwdriver.
Well, our screwdriver is two-headed because, as you can see, the other end is Phillips screwdriver and the other end is a flathead screwdriver. Both of them we're gonna use. We just decided to use this because it's easier. But you can also use your regular flathead screwdriver and your Phillips screwdrivers.
But we're gonna turn off the light.
So here we go. We are now heading for this panel, and then we're going to turn off. Look for the one that says patio, and then turn it off. There you go. So now there is no power in the sunroom. We can start replacing the switch. So now again the power is off. We are going to open the box of the Lutron Caseta wireless switches. It came with a Pico remote. So, okay, can you please open that? And there you go. In the box you can see this is the Pico remote. This is the switch, the in-wall wireless switch, or like switch, and this is the wall bracket that we can use to hang the Pico remote on a regular wall that would look like a regular switch. Okay, so let's open this further. So in the box you're gonna find again the switch, and then the Pico remote, and then the wall bracket, and the instruction manual. There you go. Okay, so for this is the remote. Let's see, this remote is rated for a single pole and a three-way switches. So you can see there are a bunch of wires in the back. So this one is the ground wire. It's either a bare or a green. The blue wire is for the three-way switch. We're not gonna use that because we are going to install this for a floodlight. And then white is always neutral, black is always the hot wire, or we're gonna connect this to the main power source wire. And this one is for the outgoing wire going to the one that's going to the lights. So let us, and it also comes with wire nuts, a whole bunch of them. There's a wire nut for that, for the main switch, and I think this is a wire nut for the Pico remote if you want to install it on an existing utility box or electrical box or junction box, whichever you want to call it. Because as you can see, the bracket has wire for the utility box. There you go. So let's start. So first of all, we're gonna take off the existing switch. Set it aside. Change your screwdriver to Philip. Makes it easier. You see the black wire? That's the hot. The other one is going out. Just to make sure. Okay, nothing, no power. There you go. Pull it out. And then we're gonna need the neutral wire. That's a nice wire nut. Oh. Okay. Take off the wires. So I would assume the one below is the hot wire. Ooh. Yep. I'm gonna put it there. I can remember that that's the in wire because the electrician made a lot of piggybacks. This is the ground wire. You see color green. There you go, it's the ground wire. Now as you can see, green for ground, red for the load wire or the one that goes to your light, black for the hot wire or the one that goes and when it comes from power. This is the strands. And then like I said, we're not gonna use the blue wire because this is for the three-way switch. That's why we have our handy dandy pliers. We need to straighten out the wires for the wire nuts. I just like to straighten them out. So It's easier for the wire nuts. Okay, so let's put on the ground wire first. Okay. Put on the wire nut that comes with it. Good. Then cut the blue wire so you don't forget it. We're gonna cut off the blue wire.
Oh,
We need to bend it
Wait.
so the cup would go. There we go. Okay, now expose wire there. Then we're gonna tie in the white wire on the neutral. Oh. There we go. Sorry. Okay, let's tie this to the neutral wire. See, I'm just gonna squeeze it there. Round it off a little bit with the plier. There you go. And then put back the wire nut that they used. This is bigger. There you go. Make sure it is there and tight. There you go. See. You want to make sure that there's no exposed wire over there. Okay, I think that's it. Then the red wire is gonna go, the black wire I mean, is gonna go to the hot wire or the load wire. Okay. There you go. Now you can strip this off a little bit further, just in case, just to be sure if you want, or yeah, you can cut out the lead wire if it's too long. It's like this one. So I'm gonna cut out a little bit because it is too long and it's not gonna be covered wholly. There you go. Tie it off. There you go. See, it's there. It is there. Okay. No exposed wire there. And then to the load wire or the switch wire, I'm gonna shave off a little bit too. There you go. Just a little bit, because my wires are opened too small. I'm gonna open this up a little bit. There you go. That's enough. Okay. Now we're gonna tie them together. Top them off. Again, make sure that no wires are exposed. So sorry because this is a very location. That would be it. Okay, so let's put them back together. Guy, we'll put this here. Use a shallow junction box or utility box. Oh, shoot. What's that? You just need to make them fit there. Okay. I'm gonna put that above. And I'm gonna put this below. And then super tight. Okay, after a whole lot of wrestling with the wires, I finally got it in. So now, it's time to put it back. Word of caution, if you are installing this, just take in mind that this has like a very bulky back panel over here. So if you have like a shallow box, electrical box, you would have to like wrestle with it just like what I did, just to make it fit here. And as you can see, even after all that, I am still having a difficulty. Well, we'll see if the screws can pull it back, can pull it in further. Yeah, because it doesn't want to fit. For this, I am using the Phillips head screwdriver. And then trying to position it in the middle. Okay, looks like the screws are doing its job and pulling it back there. Okay, there you go. And oh, there we go. Okay, so now what's next is we're gonna put the panel in. Oh, the panel for the faceplate, Lutron, and go. Where is its Okay, we got it in. Can you please hand me the one? That one. And putting in the Cora plate. Go. Snap it in. And there you go. And there it goes. Now we're just gonna turn back the power on. Back in the panel and turning it back on. Yep. Okay, now let's test. Da-da-da. Now you can see the light is on, the light is off. The light is on, light is off. You can see light on, light off. So that completes this installation of the speaker remote. Oh, one more thing. The thing that I did wrong was that because I didn't show it in the camera, but while we were like trying to turn it on earlier, um, the manual didn't actually specify which wire should be which, but they just said if it doesn't turn on, switch the wire. So it's the red wire that's for the hot wire, and the black wire is actually for the load wire, or the one that goes to the light. So watch for the next video, because we are going to pair this with the Pico remote that came with. I just don't want you guys to be scrolling for the video that you need. So we're gonna make that separate. Okay, see you on the next video.